Hey, this is Julius, and today I would like to show you a quick tutorial on how to set up the built-in functionality for password reset for Django web apps. So, as you might know, Django comes with a lot of built-in functionality for user management, but to make full use of it, we will need to configure some things in the settings and also some other stuff that I will guide you through. So, First of all, we need to add a new section to the settings.py that you can see here, the SMTP config. First of all, we need to in my case, I will use the SMTP authentication. So I will set the email backend of Django to this here, where you can see that it will use the SMTP email backend. Then you need to pass the email host and the port that depends on your provider, of course, and you can quite easily find that out when you just search for SMTP server and then your provider. Next up, we need to set one of these parameters to true. So for Strato, in my case, I need to use SSL for authentication. Some others might also allow or only allow TSL. So you might need to experiment with that. And then next of all, you need to pass the email that you want to log in with and the corresponding password. So I found out, I saw some videos on YouTube where people just use their personal Gmail account. That doesn't work in my case anymore, or maybe because I'm based in Europe, maybe there are other regulations for security. Yeah, that's why I got from a personal project, I got just a very simple email provider at Strato, which is I think around 150 a month. Yeah, to use for these occasions. Then we can take a look over here. You can see I configured the email at mydomain.com, and here you can also already see the SMTP server for Strato. That might vary, of course, as already said. So then, to be able to use this email, we also need to change something about the template for the registration view that Django comes with. And for that, I just build a subclass for the password reset view, where I change the from email to the email I just showed you. So this is important because otherwise you will run into an error also that the email bucket is not available. And then the last change we need to do is that we need to create a custom path, in my case reset password, and then as a view pass the subclass that we just created. And in my case, I also passed a different template for the registration view. But that's a topic that I will show you in another tutorial, how to set up and new templates and how to customize the out-of-the-box templates for Django authentication. So then, I guess we're ready to test what I just showed you. So for that, I will go to Safari. You can see this is a simple website that's running locally right now. Right here, I have the option to reset my password. This will go. Oh no. Like that. Then send email. And then after a while, we should get the email. yeah, right here. So here we have our link, and right now what follows is just standard Django user management again. All right, I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.